So in this video, I'll show you how to add round shapes in CapCut. So there is two ways to add the round shapes in your CapCut video. So the first way is, as you see now, after you add your video in the timeline like this, so go to this option, text. So inside the text, after you inside your text like this, now select the text, go to this option and delete all the text. So after you delete all the text, now type in a full stop. So here is a full stop. Now increase the size. So now take it to off like this. So as you can see now give me this round shape. So now you can go ahead and use this shape for your editing. The second method now, if you want to add round shape on your video, let's say you want to just cycle only the face or some round inside the video. So just select the video like this, go to this mask, go to add mask, go to this cycle. So now drag this mask, so you can position it like this. So as you see now I get this, as you can see now, this round cycle for you. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe if the video helps you out.